we shall discuss the problem number 2 in the primer. The statement of the problem is like that: the hemisphere of 40 mm diameter is supported coaxially, means centrally on the vertex of the cone. So cone base diameter is 60 millimeter and axis length is 50 millimeter. Axis length is 60 it is. Axis length is 60 millimeter. It is 60. The flat circular face of the hemisphere is facing upside. Draw the isometric projection of the combination of the solids. Now see, this is the cone. Okay, cone. The base diameter is 60 millimeter. Okay, base diameter is 60 millimeter. Axis length is 50 millimeter, not 60. Axis length is 50 millimeter. Okay, it is like this. Now this is the cone. Okay, base diameter 60 millimeter and axis length. Now see this height, total height is 50 millimeter. Over this, the hemisphere. Now see this is the hemisphere. Hemisphere diameter is 40 millimeter. Now see this is 40 millimeter. Now it is placed over the vertex of the cone. So this is the vertex or apex. It is placed over the cone like this. Now see here the vertex. Now this is the vertex. It is placed like this. Here, see this is. Now it is placed like this here. Here. So the cone, over the cone, the hemisphere. Now see it is the hemisphere placed over the vertex of the cone. And we have to draw this isometric projection like this. So in the top view, the projection of the cone is circular and the top view of the hemisphere is also circular. So just by draw top view. So it is visible the base diameter of cone is 60 and take radius 30. Now say radius 30, draw a circle. Now say radius 30, draw a circle because top view of a circle looks like a, so top view of the cone, it is a circle. Now see this is center of the circle. Similarly, top view of the hemisphere is also looks like a circle. So the hemisphere diameter is 40 millimeter. So take radius 20 millimeter. Say radius 20 millimeter and draw a circle here. Okay. Now say this is apex O and diameter. Now enclose this the circle in the box because we are following box method. So we are following box method, enclose in the box. So we enclose in the box. Okay. So name the corners. Now so this is A, B, C and this is D. Now this is center O. Okay. O. Now after this we have to draw isometric projection. Now see hemisphere, dia 40 mm cone, base dia 60 mm, height, okay, height, so 50 mm. So approximately, and you see here, the isometric projection of the circle looks like an ellipse like this. Now see, just draw ellipse here. Now this center of, and this is height. Now see, this is the cone, so top of the cone, and over this ellipse is placed like this. A hemisphere is placed like this. Now see here, like this. Approximate the isometric. Now see, this is height of the cone, that is 50 millimeter, and diameter 60, and diameter of the hemisphere is the 40, like this. So we have to construct. Now we will go to the isometric projection of this. Now see, this is height, okay. So always start isometric projection from the base. Okay. Now total height is 50 and 20 total 80. Okay. So 80 vertical boxes. 1, 2, 3. So from here you can draw here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here. Now draw horizontal line. Always start the isometric projection from the base. Now fix one point. Okay. Now see, this isometric projection of the square will becomes parallelogram in the top view. Now first we measure this. So I will fix the point A here. Now see, this is A, and measure AB. So draw before isometric axis lengths here. Isometric axis which incline 30 degree. Now see here, first to draw isometric axis here. Now see, this is 30 degree and this is 30 degree. Now see, the dia is also this is 60 mm dia. Okay. Now this is hemisphere dia is 40 mm dia. 40 mm dia. Now 60 means 6 equal boxes. Otherwise you take now directly. Now see, 60 boxes, or you take here 60 mm. Now see here 60 mm only. 60 boxes. Now see here 60 millimeter dia means 6 boxes you have to consider. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This side also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes. Here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Otherwise you take AB. Okay. Now see, cut in the same point you will get. Okay. In isometric projection 60 means here 60 boxes, 6 boxes. As here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then draw parallel lines to the isometric lines. Now see parallel lines from this point along the lines. Again see parallel lines along the line. Now you will get. Now the top view of a cone is a circle. So isometric projection of a circle is ellipse. So there is a 4 center method to draw the. Now see this is 4 center method. Okay, to draw the ellipse. To draw the ellipse. By using 4 center method, we have to draw. So what is 4 center method? I will tell you. So draw the diagonal. So this diagonal, and we'll get center point. Okay. Now join. So the midpoint of this is this one, and midpoint of this is this one. Okay. Now take a compass, and now see this is 1 2 1 center. So again you have to draw join here. Now see this is here. So one more point you will get. So again join midpoint of this. Now see here. So one more point you will get. So 1 2 3 4 points. Okay, to draw the ellipse, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point. Then using compass, now see here, using compass, now see here, take radius this one. Now say draw this one. Draw. Yes. Similar, keeping compass at this point. Now see here again. So drawing an arc. Okay. Now again, keeping the compass at this. So this is first point. Now this is second point. Now see this is third point. This is third point, and this is 4 point. So that's why it is 4 center method. Drawing ellipse by 4 center method. Again keeping the compass at point 3. Now take the measurement of this. Okay, and draw an arc like this. Okay, similarly keeping the compass at point 4. Keeping the compass at point 4. Now see here, and take measurement of this and draw. Now see here. Now see, it can look like a ellipse. So this is isometric projection of the base circle. You see, isometric projection of the base circle. You see, it looks like a ellipse. Now from the point. Okay. Now height of the cone is given 50 millimeter. So 5 boxes. Now from here, 5 boxes. See, from here. So 1 2 3 4 5. Now this is what? ISO 50. Now see, this is ISO 50. Now from the center point, measure 5 boxes. See, 1 2, 3, 4, 5, which indicates axis of the cone. Now see here, axis of the cone. Then again, hemisphere diameter is given. Now see here, hemisphere diameter means 20, 40. So 20 box, so radius is 20. Now see, radius is 20 and 20 box vertical we have to consider. So again see here, this is apex vertex of the cone. Again from the two boxes, here see two boxes. Okay, now which is called iso. Now this is the center of the hemisphere. Okay, again see this side 20. So draw at fix this point, draw isometric axis. Now see this isometric axis. Okay, so again construct. Now see this hemisphere diameter is 40. 40 means this side 20 and this side 20, total 40. Again this side 20 and this side 20. Construct the construct the isometric projection of the square here. Isometric projection of the square. Okay, at the center point. Again we have to construct. Now see, after this, now we join apex to the cone here. Now see this is, so draw from this point tangent to the ellipse. Tangent to the ellipse. Now see here, tangent to the ellipse. Tangent to the ellipse. Then this is isometric projection of the cone is over. Next we have to draw isometric projection of the hemisphere. The top view of the hemisphere looks like a circle. So therefore we constructed, see this, enclosing this here, also you will get the square. Now see here, this also enclosing this is also square. So that's why the isometric projection of this square, now this corner A, now see here, this corner A, like this. Then we have to draw isometric projection of the circle. Again 4 center method. Now see 4 center method. So now join opposite corners, diagonals. Now see, again see, okay. Now this is first point. Now this is second point. Third point again will get. Now see, from this point draw line here. Now this point here. So one more point you will get. Now point 3 this is. Similarly you draw line this and one more point you will get. Now this is point 4. Then taking compass, again 4 center method. See from 1A, now taking this point, see now drawing an arc. Okay, simply keeping the compass at point 2, now see drawing an arc. So we have to construct the isometric projection of the circle of a sphere. Similarly keeping the point at 3, so taking radius this one. Okay, now draw a circle. Similarly keeping the compass at point 4, now the same radius here. Okay, now same radius. Now see this point, now say draw arc. curve like this. We'll get so isometric projection. Then next we have to take the radius 20 millimeter. You can now see we take radius 20 millimeter. Now keeping the compass at this, now see, otherwise you take here. Okay, so draw an arc. Now see, it is going like this. Okay, like this. So this completes isometric projection. Then draw, then erase invisible edges. Now see here, erase invisible edges. So this is isometric projection of the cone on which the hemisphere is placed centrally. Okay, so make it thick, all the lines. So like this. This completes the isometric projection of hemisphere of dia 40 mm placed on the vertex of the cone. The cone base diameter is 60 millimeter and height is 50.